I'm Chef NG, specialized in pastry. Today we are going to make sponge cake. First thing first, we need to get the butter, milk, invert sugar into a small sauce pot. Salt, baking powder, gentle mixture, and add it to the liquid ingredient. Alright, so let me go to the oven and bake it for 40 to 45 minutes. Here we have with us all the ingredients and we are ready to assemble our fruit cake. So we are done with our 2-layer fruit cake. Without the cream, the sponge cake on its own will also be very tasty. I hope you enjoy watching this. Try at home and leave a comment below.